Alright everyone, this is Clinton Poteet, and this is going to be the assignment. So, here we are in all content Westlaw. We're going to go over here to Federal Materials, USCA, click that. And so, we know that we're trying to find the first answer, which is the statutory definition of a claim. So, USCA, bankruptcy, definitions. You can always just make it quick and just type in right there. Like you see this here, this magnifying glass. Click it, type in claim, search, and then it'll pop up. So here we go. I looked it up already and I highlighted it. The term claim means, a right to payment, whether or not such right is, reduced. This is basically what it means. We're not supposed to go deep into it. So, there's that. So, the next question is, those filing under Chapter 7, where can they find statutory provisions governing bankruptcy discharge in their particular case? So, we'll just back on up a little bit. Keep backing up. So, title bankruptcy. Down here, Chapter 7. Just go ahead and click it, liquidation. And the whole deal is supposed to find out essentially discharge. So here we see subchapter 2, section 727 discharge. That'll be the answer to where you can find the statutory provisions governing bankruptcy discharge in their particular case. So the next question is, for people who are filing under Chapter 13, where can they find information on exactly what information must be included in their Chapter 13 plan, their Chapter 13 bankruptcy plan? So we'll back up again. So we're at Chapter 7, let's go down to 13. And there's not that much here. Subchapter 2, plan, boom. So if you're going to want to know what to put in it, then you go to the contents of the plan. You're not going to want to know about filing it. You want to know about the contents of it. The plan shall provide for the submission of all or such portion, notwithstanding any other. This is what's going to be in your plan.